Guys, in this video, let us look at this terminology, styalgia. Okay, styalgia. Algia is pain, right? So, style actually can be STYL also because it is referring to what? The styloid process. Okay, so this is also called as Eagle syndrome. Why it is called as Eagle syndrome? Any idea? So, anyways, you know the styloid process, right? So, where is the styloid process? Here. So, this is the teeth, mouth. So, you know where you are, right? So, this is the styloid process. So, what actually happens in the stylalgia? The styloid process becomes elongated. Okay, so there is pain. So, pain because of elongation of styloid process. So, now you can understand the name, isn't it? So, it is styalgia or STYL, stylalgia. Okay, Eagle syndrome. Let us see in the end if you can understand why it is called as Eagle syndrome. So, what is styalgia? It is due to elongated styloid process. This is the main thing they'll be looking for, elongated styloid process or the calcification of the stylohyoid ligament. So, some ligament usually we use green color, isn't it? Calcification of this stylohyoid ligament. Now, let us try to understand exactly what is there in this, what is attached to the styloid process. To the styloid process, you have the stylohyoid ligament, which they have shown here in green color. This green line which is there, right? This green line is the stylohyoid ligament. Actually, a lot of things are attached to the styloid process. You can see the muscles, like you have the styloglossus muscle, you have the stylohyoid to the hyoid bone, stylohyoid muscle, you have the stylopharyngeus muscle, and you have two ligaments, guys. What are the two ligaments? You have the stylomandibular ligament and stylohyoid ligament. So, what are we talking about here? Stylohyoid ligament. This one would have got calcified. So, if it is calcified, what is calcified? The stylohyoid ligament. Say stylohyoid ligament is calcified. So, we're just marking it as, let's mark it as grey color because it is, no, that's fine, I'll put the color. See, it says stylohyoid ligament is calcified. Okay.
Calcified.
Yeah. So, in styalgia, what is happening? There could be elongation of styloid process or calcification of stylohyoid ligament. Normally, the styloid process is 25 millimeter.
25 millimeter.
Yeah, and if it becomes greater than 30 millimeter, it is considered as elongate. Okay. Then let's continue. So basically, what happens in these people, they could be asymptomatic, right? Or they can have pain in the tonsillar fossa. So basically, when they swallow, they will have pain, and they can have pain when in the tonsillar fossa and in the upper neck, and this radiates to the ipsilateral ear. So there is referred otalgia. So they have pain in the ear. Referred otalgia also is there. Ipsilateral ear, same side ear also they have pain. So they'll complain of pain when in the neck, upper neck.
Upper neck.
Yeah. Tonsillar fossa.
Tonsillar fossa.
And the ear.
And the ear.
Yeah. So, and when they swallow, they'll have pain. Okay, this is the main thing you have to mention. When they swallow, they will have pain. So, otherwise, where all is the pain? Guys, the tonsillar fossa, the upper neck, and the ear. Okay. Then, let's continue. So, what is the diagnosis? How will you do diagnosis? You will do palpation. So, yeah, transoral, via the oral cavity, palpate the styloid process in the tonsillar fossa. You will palpate it. By radiograph, you can check which type of radiograph? Antero-posterior view, AP view, with mouth open, or lateral view of the skull. So, this is lateral, isn't it? So, they are showing a elongated styloid process. So, you can see here, elongated styloid process. Till here, is it? Elongated styloid process they are showing. So, you can see the elongated styloid process in the lateral view, right? And here also you can see. Okay. So, all this is what? Eagle syndrome. So, you can also do CT scan with 3D reconstruction. So, this is how you will diagnose it. Finally, what will we look at? Treatment. So, mostly people are asymptomatic, so no need of treatment for those people. But for others, you will excise the styloid process transoral or cervical approach. Two approaches they have given. Transorally you can go, or cervically you can go and excise the styloid process. Okay, not much details about that, but now you have understood stylalgia or styalgia, Eagle syndrome. So what do you think the reason is why they're calling it as Eagle syndrome? The textbooks doesn't say why it's called Eagle syndrome anyways, so just remember it is also called as Eagle syndrome, or it can be also called as stylohyoid algia or stylohyoid syndrome. Okay, so you have understood, right? What happens? Styloid process is elongated or the stylohyoid ligament is calcified. Normal is 25 millimeter. It will be more pain in the tonsillar fossa, upper neck, ear. Basically, when they swallow, they'll have more pain. Okay, sharp. They'll have more pain when the pain is aggravated on swallowing. Main thing. Okay, that's all for now, guys. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.